Welcome to my philosophical page. Today I will explain why most of the people say nothing is impossible in this world. Is it a reality or not? Or just to say yes? If yes, then how? I will explain today the most important part of philosophical science and what is the real scene behind. So, I will explain this logically by explaining the term what is thinking, what is imagination, what is knowledge, and what is scientific research. So let us start. Nothing is impossible in this world. Anything that is impossible for man is possible for nature. The reason is either we do not know the logic after the happening of these things, or we are not able to produce suitable condition after the happening of these things. So we can say a new idea at the time of its birth, which is impossible under our present conditions, is called imagination. As once the scientist Archimedes said, if you give me somewhere to stand, I will move the world. Though it was impossible till today, so it was his imagination at that time. Now, what is thinking? The application of suitable logic and analogy with time on imagination change it into theory. That is called thinking. Now, what is knowledge? The application of suitable logic and analogy with time on this thinking change it into practical work. That is called knowledge. Now, what is scientific research? The conversion of imagination into knowledge via thinking is called scientific research. One thing that is the most important part of philosophy or scientific research is that the time is a necessary condition for all the inventions, or you can say for scientific research. Without time, one cannot research anything, but that is not a sufficient condition. So thanks to all of you, and I will like to listen from you. Thanks.